ටවුන් එකේ විෂන් කෑකට ගියා නම් ඉවරයිනේ.
Vision Care. විශ්වාසනීය දැක්ම.
With the Sri Lankan rupee falling to an all-time low of 163 rupees and 36 cents against the US dollar, it also marked the 12th straight session of setting fresh record lows by the currency. The rupee has so far weakened 0.4% this month following a 1.2% decline last month. It has dropped 5.7% this year. Today's drop in the rupee is attributed to the weaknesses in emerging market stocks and currencies as well as importers' rising demand for greenback.
If you see, all the Asian currencies have been performing relatively poorly during the year, with primarily driven by the strengthening of the dollar as the fund flows are towards the US, resulting mainly from the Fed rate hikes where the US normalizes the interest rates. The emerging and frontier markets have seen a significant sell-off in the capital markets this year, resulting from the Fed rate hike. Some of the other currencies has been worse off, with the Indian rupee falling 12.5% and the Pakistan rupee falling about 11.3% during 2018.
Analysts also say that the Sri Lankan rupee is hurt by the country's largest trading partner India seeing its currency decline this year. Indian rupee dropped to 71 rupees and 52 to 53 cents per US dollar yesterday, marking an all-time low for the country's economy. The Indian rupee has now become Asia's worst performing currency so far this year due to higher oil prices, turbulence in emerging markets and simmering global trade tensions.
The US economy is doing very well, so US dollar has strengthening against all the emerging market currency. We cannot isolate from that. So crude oil prices have scaling new high every day. It will have pressure on rupee because we import 80% of our energy needs in the form of crude oil from overseas.
Although fresh record lows are being noticed consecutively, State Minister of Finance Derana told Reuters yesterday that the government will leave market forces to decide the level of its rupee and will not intervene in the foreign exchange market.